Well, changing over to Windows 11, and this is what you gotta do to change it out. Since I'm not sure how well it's going to work on this laptop, I have to tear the laptop apart, change the hard drive completely out so that I can go back to Windows 10 if I want to. So I got to get this hard drive out. Of course, there was a ton of screws. To me, that's a ton. The DVD drive has to slide out. Anyway, a lot of fun. This is what the inside of one looks like. Interesting, huh? Alright, change out the hard drives. Okay, so a little extra work. Got to pull the hard drive out. It's got rails on it. So I got to take these rails off, switch them over to the new hard drive so that I can mount it back in. Now what I'm doing here is taking this one out simply because I want to keep this copy of Windows 10 that runs this laptop in case anything goes bad with my upgrade. Now it's a legit upgrade, and the key authentication whatever numbers are built into the BIOS on these things now. So it's a legit copy from Hewlett-Packard, and it's not on the drive. The numbers are built into the hardware here. So this will convert over or upgrade to Windows 11 with no problem at all, theoretically. Wish me luck. Okay, I get the plug in, and got to get it lined up and put these super tiny screws back in. Doesn't work. Wrong one. Fits there. Oh, that's the outside case. Never mind. I get it. I got it. Okay, looks good. Ready to go. Do it to it. Time to put it back together. Because then, same way it come apart. Somehow you got to remember that. And it snaps together all over the place. All the way around, make sure that it's snapped back together. Don't forget to put your CD-ROM back in if you got one. I know, laptops don't even have them anymore. But I do. Anyway, now it's just a matter of putting all the screws in. one after the other after the other. This one here holds the CD-ROM. I'll put it in first. That's it. One after the other after the other. There's 12 of them. Seems like a lot to me. Anyway, I gotta do all this before I can even turn this thing back on. Then when I do, I don't have to worry about ruining the system, because here's the system. I put a new one drive in there, empty, made sure it was formatted, empty, and we'll start from scratch. Well, it's installing, so that's what I'm running it on. I'm installing it from a thumb drive, and so far so good. Nothing too difficult. Well, there's Windows 11 running on the big screen. That's the way I normally run it. So there it is after maybe an hour and a half total, de-bloating the whole thing. There's no Edge, there's no Copilot, there's a whole bunch of stuff I took out to de-bloat Windows 11. It's working fine, gets on the internet, does alright. So there we go. That's what we got. Hour and a half of work, everything works. I'm on the internet, Windows 11. Good to go.